Actually aspirated V8 right there. Cannot wait to drive. Holy. We got the IS500 here. Got the boy Julian. What up with it? Basically got the new gen ISF. Some people might get mad at me for calling it that, but everyone got their own opinions.
See the FSport right there? And the paint?
What paint right there?
Tiny ass detail right here.
Oh yeah. I didn't even see that. And we washed it and it just started raining too. I don't know, I like it. I like the rain though. It's a nice aesthetic.
I love the aesthetic of the fucking rain.
Hell yeah. And now it's gonna look waxy. Damn. You can see myself in the mirror. This shit look a little goofy. She looks a little goofy. Yeah. Fuck it though. Someone got to get the IS500 footage. I don't think I've ever driven anything this powerful before. What do you got? Like close to 500 horsepower?
471.
You got 471. Sheesh. Damn, look at those double tip exhausts though. Fire. Sport right there, give it a nice little wash. It's looking clean, ready to hit the road. These towels are nice, bro. It felt like a blanket when I grabbed it.
They used to be really good because these are hella old now.
Were these like big ass microfibers?
Yeah. I'm trying to get some new ones already though.
That's pretty cool. Woo! Alright.
Just to see how you want.
Beautiful interior. Man. One thing I love about Lexus, the clock. You know, you might just say, oh, it's a regular hand clock, it's not even digital. Yeah, but it looks classy. You see that? Who's rocking a watch? Oh, rocking the Rolly. It's the Lexus Rolly right there.
Lexus carbon fiber in the face.
Yeah. Alright, bet. Get my mirror set up.
This is Sport Plus. This is normal, sport,
normal sport,
and obviously eco.
Okay. Let's throw it in normal sport.
Yeah. Well, normal sport.
Yeah. And that's what Sport Plus is, just like a little extra kick. He's got the power steering.
Yeah, you definitely feel that.
Yeah, especially when you hit like a tight corner.
Yeah.
It like almost locks in place. Bro, I didn't even gas it and it was taking off.
Yeah, it's hella sensitive.
I did not even gas it at all. I literally took my foot off the brake. Alright. I'm not gonna do anything crazy until I'm warmed up, man. Usually you gotta wait for the car to warm up, but definitely feels smooth. Yeah, like a Lexus for sure.
They say that or there's a lot of people that throw them on lowering springs, and they say it feels the same way. It's not a change in the ride quality.
I've never driven a lowered car.
It's kind of tricky.
Does it change the way it feels when you're regular?
Most of the time it does. Yeah, because when I had the Charger, shit, it wasn't the best normal or stock ride quality, but when I lowered it, I could feel everything. Like, yeah, it looked hella nice lowered because it would take a lot of the wheel gap out, but it would you could feel everything. Like you'd hit a simple bump on the freeway, yeah, and you'd fucking feel like most people who haven't ridden in it would think that something just broke. Ouch. Also going up like driveways and you gotta cut up sideways. I feel like that's annoying. I don't know. It does get hella old, hella annoying. It's like hella old. Like you get it the first week, it's cool, and then it's like it's a chore. Yeah. So I like going bigger wheels because it looks like if like when you lower it, it like fills that wheel gap. But when you get bigger wheels, it kind of does the same thing, but you're not lowered, so it's like you don't gotta worry about the ride height. Facts. It's like best of both worlds. It just depends on what car you got them on, because I know I'll compare everything to the Charger, but when I had the Charger, I didn't know shit about wheels or what I was looking for really. And I remember I got some 22s. I don't remember what brand they were. They were just something they had on the shop. Go ahead and hit it, yeah. And fucking it's got like the new click or whatever, or the new signal. So if you it's got like a middle, it's got a soft, or it's got a half press and a full press. Full press will like hold it until you turn, or until obviously when it like detects the wheel has done a turn, or it'll do that like quick three blink, so you'll change lanes. But yeah, fuck, back to the 22s. I had the 22s on the Charger. They looked huge on the Charger for some reason, and I wouldn't think that it would because the Charger was already like above. But after that, I went back to some 20s, and it looked better in my opinion. I'm barely tapping it too. Yeah, no, it's sensitive, dude. That's what I love about it. Yeah, there's no way in hell I'm flooring it, because I feel like this would it would spin. Oh, especially with the road right now? Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's hella funny. There's like no other 500s in the area. I've seen like... No, bro, you don't see these. Groups. They get spotted like in the Bay Area. Or usually by the dealerships, but not even in Modesto, just by Pleasanton, Lexus Pleasanton. Yeah, bro, you really do not see these on the road a lot. Which I'm surprised, because like if someone's looking for a nice V8 and they want like that luxury feel, I feel like this is probably the best V8 on the market. Yeah, for that. Like you'd think they put more out, huh? Yeah, but no, I don't know. Like people just sleep on them. I know BMW stands for fucking broke my wallet. There's like so many, dude. It's so many names for it. It's so funny. I forgot what AMG stands for. Fucking ate my gas. Ate my gas. Nah, they say what they say about German cars is that if it's not leaking oil, it'll got oil in it. Alright, we're gonna give it a little. We're gonna give it a little gas right here. Yeah, go ahead. It just kicks in. Dude, it just kicks in. Manual pull. Oh damn! I didn't realize that yellow light fucking perfectly lines up with the. It basically tells you when to ship. Dude, that feels like a dual clutch. Does it? Yeah. That's like... It shifts fast. It does, honestly. I don't know what people were talking about when they said the transmission wasn't that impressive. No, it is. Like, I'm impressed by it, dude.